Hey, Maraya Brown here, Yale and functional medicine trained women's health expert. I want to speak to women that are between the age of 40 and 55. Let's talk about perimenopause, menopause, and hormone replacement therapy. Okay, I don't have a preference if women do or don't add HRT into their bodies. That is a personal choice, and that you deserve to be able to be given options and the education. And can I tell you that if we go back to 1999, in the United States, depending on what resource I've referenced, somewhere between 40 to even as much as 80% of women during this chapter of life were put on hormone replacement therapy because they were struggling with brain fog and weight changes and sleep changes and hot flashes and new anxiety and irritability and rashes and allergies and all of the things. So if we fast forward to today, the latest statistics show that as little as 1.8% of women are put on hormone replacement therapy. Okay. So then many of my clients come to me complaining that I didn't anticipate this. My mom never talked to me about the symptoms of menopause. I didn't even realize what she was going through. Okay. Why didn't I know that I was going to have sleepless nights and not feel like myself and struggle so much with changes in my passion? What was going on there? And it just makes me wonder if possibly there is a generational gap of women that weren't talking about it because maybe the majority of them were on hormone replacement therapy. Maybe their symptoms weren't as strong. Maybe our mothers and grandmothers weren't actually experiencing the version of perimenopause and menopause that many women are today in 2025, because women come to me with pretty extreme symptoms: anxiety, irritability, brain fog, weight changes, sleep changes, passion changes. I could go on and on. Maybe we need more hormone replacement therapy. Maybe it's not your choice, but either way, we deserve to be empowered, okay? We deserve to be in circles where we're talking about this, not feeling like we're all alone, and not being thrown like a full steam into a brick wall of the symptoms of menopause in a day today where most providers are too afraid to put women on hormone replacement therapy. We really have to be in a place of self-advocacy, because there was a very large study that was halted in 2000 that said, hey, HRT is no longer safe. So now we have providers that have been taught, not safe, breast cancer, stroke, but they're also not taught about nutritional approaches or supplemental approaches other than here's an antidepressant. So today, women are left feeling dismissed, alone. Their moms didn't talk about it. They're not being given solutions. And so if you are one of those, I want you to know there are many solutions out there, regardless of what solutions you are open to. HRT, no HRT, you've got lots of options, but I encourage you to find a provider that is open to actually giving you solutions to your symptoms, right? Not leaving you dismissed, not being told, oh, it's just part of aging, or yeah, that's common, you just got to suck it up. No, we're not going to go belly up to status quo. We want to feel spectacular and vibrant. We want to have quality sleep and to be able to go up on stage knowing that we're going to be able to remember the words and not worry about having a hot flashes up on stage, right? We want to maintain our deep sense of passion and vitality and know that we're going to live more decades feeling absolutely spectacular. And maybe, just maybe, you are curious about hormone replacement therapy. What I want to say is please reach out, okay? Me and the team, of course, we can help you. We have clients all over the world. I might not be the one prescribing for you, but we can give you nutritional supplementation, nutritional support and education, supplemental support and education, help you understand and normalize what's going on, and help you feel like you're in an empowered version of you. And regardless of where you live in the world, help you understand what questions to ask and how to self-advocate to explore the possibility of bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, or the supplements and lifestyle change and nutrition change that are also going to move the needle with your hormones so that your symptoms can be spectacular. I also want to say, if you're early on and the symptoms are subtle, now is a great time to start. And if you're one of those that is in the throes of it, you're not recognizing yourself in the mirror, I'm so sorry. And I want you to know that there are lots of solutions out there. So reach out, come register for my next pause event. Just go to marayabrown.com/pause. We'll put the link in the show notes, in the comments. Find me on social. I'm super approachable. Send me a DM, ask me your questions, let me know what you're struggling with. And I promise you, if you are open to actually receiving the solutions and feeling spectacular, no matter if you're in your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, your 60s, or 70s, I promise you that there are phenomenal solutions out there. We just have to learn to ask for different solutions. And what I often say is stop asking people for directions to places they haven't been. I promise you there are solutions out there, even in 2025. There are providers, there are courses, there are support systems. All you got to do is say, yes, please. I'd love some support. And we look forward to supporting you. Look forward to hearing from you.